comes down to one last play. And it's going to be getting longer by the second. You're all the way back at the 30-yard line. Now you can step into it. Here comes the Hail Mary with the game on the line. And the ball is caught! Caught! It's a miracle! It's Noah Brown!
Bro! Hey, look! I wish I recorded that! But Lord! Oh! Hail Mary! Hail Mary! That motherfucker's home! Send that motherfucker! We don't fucking win though! Let's go! Yo. Come on! Bro, what a game, bro. My hat came off, bro. I'm like, yo, 6-2 is crazy. Hail Mary, Jaden Daniels. We don't know how to lose. We don't.